Zubtitle allows you to resize and crop your video in multiple ways, allowing you to turn a widescreen video into a vertical video into a square video, etc. And this can be super handy if you're someone who likes to repurpose your content across multiple platforms. Let me show you how it works. So today we've uploaded a widescreen or 16:9 aspect ratio video. And what we want to do is try and resize it for another aspect ratio. We can do that by going to the right-hand toolbar down to the resize pane. And here is where we can change the aspect ratio. We can click on a 1:1 square, and you can see that it not only resizes but crops it into the size of a square. You can do a 9:16 vertical video or a 4:5 portrait video, which can work pretty well on the Instagram feed. So we have a lot of different options here. Let's say that we want to go with the 1:1 square video for now. Now, like I said, you'll notice that it actually has cropped the video into the size of a square. But what often people like to do is kind of actually have the video in its normal aspect ratio, but have the top and bottom borders to it. So we can actually do this and change the crop of it. We do this by going to the canvas settings. And the way it handles a crop is by zooming the video in and out. So right now the video is zoomed all the way in, but we can actually click and zoom it all the way out. And now, as you can see, we have the top and bottom borders. Now, of course, if we wanted to, for this option, we could add a headline. Let's actually go over here and quickly add that to the top here. And what you'll notice, of course, when you do change the aspect ratio, you do have to position things a little bit to make it look just right. So let's do that. We're going to move our headline down here and click to move our captions down here. And there you go. We actually have a video that's looking pretty good right here. Now let's show one more option. Let's say that we actually do want to have something to post on TikTok. Maybe we want to change this to the 9:16 option. So again, it's actually retained our previous settings, which has the video completely zoomed out so we can see the entire aspect ratio. But maybe for this one, we actually do want to have it fully zoomed in so that it is cropped to the size of the 9:16 vertical aspect ratio. Again, we'll go back to Canvas and we'll simply zoom out as much as we want to. Maybe we do want to have it zoomed out all the way so we can post this and actually have it look pretty nice on TikTok. Now, if you're someone who does a lot of content repurposing, you may find that you want to have multiple versions of the same video. So maybe you have a square version, a vertical version, and a widescreen version. Well, definitely take advantage of our template system, which allows you to create these different versions very easily and reuse them every single time. Check out the video on screen to learn more about how to create your own custom templates for repurposing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below so you don't miss any tips in the future. Until next time, keep creating.